If you accidentally turn on the color inversion or inverted colors of your Galaxy Watch 8, or you want this here, here's where you can go to turn it on or off. To change these settings, use the quick access by pulling it down from the top area here and go into the settings here. And this is if it's your first time this happened to you. Now you want to go down past all these options and look for accessibility. So go down until you see accessibility, this one here. In this area here, you will see that you have how many functions that are working at the moment. Then you want to go down to vision enhancements right there. And in this area here, you're going to see different vision enhancements and you're looking for color inversion. Once you see it, turn it off and you should have your regular colors back and feel okay about yourself. And that's basically it for this guy here as soon as we come back in here. There you go. Like I said,